Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to continue lesson 4, the Vedic civilization. In the last video we discussed about the Vedas and Vedic literature. Then we discussed about the political life, occupation and social life of early Vedic period. In this video we are discussing about the Varna system. Okay, what was the division of the society? The society was divided on the basis of varna or skin color. Okay, in the initial stage, the society, it was divided on the basis of the skin color of the people. The people, those who have white skin or fair skin, they called Aryans, and the people, those who have dark skin, called Dasas. They were inferior, and the Aryans, they were superior. Okay, and actually the Dasas or the inferior, they were the original inhabitants of the region where the Aryans settled. That means the Aryans, they came from somewhere else. Okay, and gradually the social division based on the occupation. I told you in the initially the society was divided according to their color, and later the society again it was divided according to their occupation. Okay, and this developed into the caste system. Okay, otherwise we can say that the Varna system started on these days. Okay, and there were important four castes were there: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Okay, these were the four important castes. First one is Brahman, second Kshatriya, then Vaishya and Shudras. Who were Brahmans? They were priests. The people, those who are doing pujas and all. Religious, they were do religious, or they will take care of religious matters. Okay. And the second group, Kshatriya. Kshatriya, what was their main duty? They were warriors. Okay, the king and the warriors. And the people, those who protect tribe from harm, called Kshatriyas. And who are Vaishyas? The farmers, the craftsmen are called Vaishyas. And what is the last category? That is Shudra. Shudra means Dasas. The last category is called Shudras or Dasas. Okay, these were the four important division of caste. And what was their religion? They gave or they worshipped the natural forces like earth, fire, wind, rain, then sun and sky. Okay, they worshipped the forces like fire, wind, rain, sun and the sky. And Indra, who was the most important god. Who was the most important god? Indra was the most important god. Okay. And here we are moving to the another topic, that is later Vedic period. What is that? Later Vedic period. What is the specialty of this period? The Aryans, they learned how to use iron. Okay, that is an important feature. The Aryans, they learned how to use iron, and they moved to Kurukshetra and Hastinapur. Okay, these places are in the banks of river Yamuna. Okay, and they made many tools for clearing the forest. Okay, and they spread along the northern Gangetic plain. And another important feature of this time is called in this period they composed Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. The first important feature, they used iron materials or iron tools, and they cleared forest and they moved to Kurukshetra and Hastinapur. Then they composed 3 Vedas in this period. What is that? Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. Okay. And here we can see that the political life of the people. Who was the supreme commander of his army? King. He was the supreme commander of his army, and he was the chief justice of his kingdom. Okay. And he adopted some titles also. What is that? Samrat and Maharajadiraja. The king adopted 2 titles or some titles. What is that? Samrat and Maharajadiraja. Okay. And he performed yajnas and Ashwamedha for expand his kingdom. For expanding his kingdom, he performed many yajnas or sacrifices and Ashwamedha. For what? For expanding, for capturing more areas or controlling more areas. He performed many yajnas or many sacrifices and Ashwamedha also for expanding his kingdom. Okay. And what was the occupation of that people? Agriculture was the main occupation. I told you they learned how to use iron, and so they made many weapons for clearing forest, and they started agriculture. Okay. And in the later Vedic period, so improvements in craft like weaving, leather working, pot making, carpentry and jewelry making also were there. What was their main occupation? Agriculture, and they improved their crafts like weaving, leather working, pot making, carpentry and jewelry making. Okay. And last we can see that what was their amusement for time pass or for entertainment. They like dancing, singing, racing and gambling. Okay. These were the important amusements or entertainments for them. Okay. What was that? Dancing, singing, racing and gambling. Okay. Once again we can revise what we learned in this video. First we learned about the Varna system. In the initially the society was divided according to their color of the skin, and later the society, the division was based on occupation of the people, and there were 4 important castes were there: Brahmana, Kshatriya and Vaishya. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and last Shudras also were there. Okay. And what was the religion? They give more important, or they worshipped the natural forces like rain, sun, sky, wind, etc., etc. Okay. Then we learned about the later Vedic period. In this period, the people, the Aryan, they learned how to use iron. Okay. And they made, with this metal they made many weapons, and they cleared forest, and they moved to Kurukshetra and Hastinapur. These cities were in the banks of the river Yamuna. And another important feature of this period, they composed 3 Vedas. What was that? Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. Okay. Hope that all of you understood up to here. It's a very small portion. Please read again and again. If you have any doubt about any topic, please ask through the comments. Okay.